Ayo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Potter with Grandmaster Drift. Today, we got package day. So I'm just going to be unboxing all of this stuff for you guys. I'm going to be making individual videos on each one of these things, installing them. But, you know, I don't order a lot of things that come from out of this country. So these are a bunch of things. Everything's from China, from AliExpress. But it got here in a pretty quick time frame. I was actually pretty shocked, to be honest. And a lot of this stuff I just couldn't get locally, so I just had to get online. Some of this stuff I could not. These are really, really inexpensive mounting points, mounting brackets, so that might be a hint for what's in this bigger box, but those are going to be pretty handy. They're not the best form and finished. I know there is like the rounded ones. Those stay on your car much more efficiently than these do, but this is gonna do the job. I'm pretty stoked on these. And then we've got up next, oh shoot, inside this package, I'm pretty sure this might be the steering wheel, which is gonna be pretty cool as well. There is an upgrade from the stock wheel to this upgraded one. So I'm gonna install that. That is red, matching my Red Cat RDS. That's gonna be the theme. And then if you've seen the last video, got the Bingo Wasp chassis. So slowly starting to upgrade piece by piece. Huge shout out Bingo Wasp RC Designs. Go check them out. Check out that video if you haven't already seen it. Now in this one, oh, this should be, looks like maybe two things, but it's definitely the scissors, hopefully. What we got here? Ah, the grip tape. So I actually got some like tennis racket grip tape, or grip like foam, and that's gonna go around the remote. I saw a really cool TikTok where they wrapped foam around it, and this foam grip, and it looked really spicy. So I'm gonna do that mod. I'm gonna make a video on doing that. Inside of this one, hopefully, should be some tools for cutting bodies, like Lexan bodies, cutting holes for the, for the hood, for the pins. So there's a curved set of scissors and then a straight pair, and these are good for cutting Lexan bodies, which is gonna come in handy for this very last box. Get all of this out of the way so we can cut this one open. And this, I'm just beyond excited. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I would have gotten this stuff locally if I could have. Just really wasn't an option. I can always source things and ask them to get it, but yeah, this just wasn't available from any retailer online locally. So some of those other items, like the scissors, I might have been able to get locally, but even the steering wheel, there's no local ones. It's all, I think Injora was another brand I saw, but yeah, price as well is a huge factor, and so all of those things are coming in super cost effectively. As well as, I'll put up maybe prices for everything, but I know for the Lexan body that you're about to see, I only paid $35 for it. So I felt pretty good about that. So let's go. Oh man, first official going to be custom RC body, GTI. That's what I drive. So the desire to have a matching body for my RC drift car was just so real. This comes with the mask to do the windows, and then stickers. It actually has light buckets, so that was another huge thing. I just really wanted light buckets. I want to do lights on the car, so that's going to be a possibility. It's going to be a reality. Yeah, and custom painting it. I just got so many good ideas. I actually have a Cricut coming, so I got a score. I got a sick deal. I scored a sick deal on eBay for a Cricut Joy, which is kind of like a mini one, but it's gonna be perfect, plenty big enough for cutting out stencils, making masks for stencils on this size body. But let's go. What a successful AliExpress haul. I've ordered a few things, you know, not a lot, not anything RC related. A few things car parts related, like real car parts. So not like physical, like extra accessories. But I've used it a couple times, 2 or 3 times. But this haul completely successful. Happy to report. And I'm gonna do individual videos on all of these. I'll probably install the wheel and the grip together, and then you'll see me installing the magnet mounts on the car, along with using the scissors body mount. Yeah, wow, guys, so excited for the body though. I'm just thinking about what I'm gonna do first. But so, like I said, just a quick video for you guys. I just wanted to turn on the camera just in case, make sure I didn't get get bamboozled by a bunch of junk, but didn't. Big success. So like, comment, subscribe if you're excited. Let me know. But most importantly, never stop evolving.